there is a huge connect with our breath, thoughts and emotions. So let's practice a very simple, easy breathing technique. Ee technique mana breath and respiratory system ni chala beautiful ga balance chesuddi. It's called alternate breathing or Anulom Vilom. So shall we start? కింద కూర్చోవాలన్నమాట, భాషా బట్టలు వేసుకొని. సపోజ్ మీకు కింద కూర్చోవడం కష్టం అనుకుంటే సిట్ ఆన్ అ చైర్, బట్ మేక్ షూర్ స్పైన్ స్ట్రైట్ గా ఉండాలన్నమాట. ఏ బ్రీదింగ్ ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ అన్నా ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ఎక్సలేషన్. సో లెట్స్ జస్ట్ ఎక్సేల్ all the air from our lungs, and then this is your right thumb, right? Close your right nostril and inhale from your left nostril. Then close your left nostril with your middle finger and exhale from your right nostril. After that, when you're closing your left nostril, you inhale from your right nostril, close it with your right thumb, exhale through your left. So alternate, you kind of close, exhale and then close, inhale and then exhale. I'll give the instructions in the post also so that you can follow, and these instructions are given by Om Swami. He's so beautiful ga, chala beautiful ga explain chesaru ayana the whole techniques, and he's an enlightened master, so we can't get this information from a better person. Koncham advanced yogis or advanced students can hold their breath, like inhale chesi, hold chesi, exhale chesi atla kuda cheyochu, but for that you need to go for a class or you should be an advanced student. So if you're just starting off, just let's do simple Anulom Vilom. So this is a very very simple, easy, effective technique to balance mana breathing gaani, respiratory problems emi undavu, and it will also calm our thoughts and our whole body will become stronger. Every day you can do it 20 repetitions. Koncham empty stomach unte better. Don't do it just after manam bhojanam chesina emmate kaakunda ఒక 1 or 2 hours gap ఇవ్వండి. బిఫోర్ మీల్స్ అయితే బెస్ట్. యూ కెన్ డూ 2 to 3 times. So shall we practice every day? Let's utilize our time nicely. Okay? Bye.